Friends, UPSC Prelims examination 2026 is on 24th May. For the candidates appearing for this year's Prelims examination, we are launching UPSC Prelims crash course from 23rd January after the Sankranti holidays. We are providing this course offline as well as online. However, at our Hyderabad branch offline, we are taking only 50 students with the aim to make all these 50 students clear prelims examination. We are providing, along with the classes, mentorship by Vasanthi ma'am, who got All India rank 50 in IFS, Indian Forest Service. Also, she scored one of the highest marks in UPSC Prelims consecutively. Classes will be taken by expert faculty like Ajay Gupta, who cleared IFS Prelims several times and appeared in UPSC interviews more than thrice. Harish, who cleared UPSC IFS Prelims several times. And we have Srikanth, Sirisha, Divya Thakur, expert faculty. The reason why we are choosing those who cleared IFS Prelims is because, as you know, IFS Prelims cutoff is far higher than Civils cutoff. So we call them as Prelims champions. So they will not only be taking class to you, but also mentoring you, guiding you through this journey of Prelims crash course. At Hyderabad branch offline, we also provide study hall wherein you find an ecosystem, a strong peer group of serious candidates and the mentors whom I told about. During the course of the crash course, after finishing any subject, 35%, there will be a mini exam, 70% second mini exam, and after finishing the entire subject, there will be a grand test on that subject. After finishing all subjects for the prelims, there will be 10 grand tests where you will be writing general studies as well as CSAT paper. As you know, CSAT has become very tricky and difficult from the last few years. We are conducting a separate module for CSAT as part of Prelims crash course. As you might have seen in our Prelims test series, that every question in our test series is genuinely prepared by our R&D team. None of the questions are picked up from other test series or other sources. So everything is genuinely made from the UPSC sources. Hence, writing our Prelims test series or grand test will be same as writing the recently changed UPSC style of Prelims examination, where we focus on all subjects. We ask some factual, some conceptual, some vague questions, some questions which can be answered only by common sense, some questions which can be answered only by elimination techniques. For example, these days a new pattern of questions have appeared in UPSC, wherein they mention only one option is correct, only two, only three, all the four. Only one option is correct, there are 4 chances, either A, either B, C or D. Only 2 options are correct, there are 6 chances, A, B, A, C, A, D, B, C, B, D, C, D, like that. Only 3 options are correct, again only 4 chances, A, B, C, B, C, D, A, C, D and A, B, D, like that. All 4 are correct, only 1 chance. So if you observe carefully, only 2 are correct has high probability of being correct. However, this technique cannot be used standalone. It has to be combined with other common sense things, and then you have to go for the right option. This kind of elimination techniques, common sense will be taught not only by the faculty, but certain guest lectures during the Prelims crash course by UPSC toppers, specifically those who scored high marks in the Prelims examination. Also, for example, if you observe in science and technology, previously the option all the above is correct. The reason is, in science technology, the questions are generally like, for example, niobium is used in which of the following? Wind turbines, option A, option B, nuclear reactors, option C, permanent magnets. Some options will be given. Generally, all of them are correct because in science and technology, niobium may be used by some wind turbine somewhere in the world. It may be used in some nuclear reactor somewhere. Chances are there. You cannot rule out. Hence, all the above correct. But UPSC has changed this kind of question style these days. It is asking niobium is usually used in which of the following. So here, usually used means commonly used basically. So we cannot go for all the above. It should be specific. So these kind of minute trends appearing in UPSC are closely observed by our R&D team. Accordingly, we are making the grand tests. Accordingly, elimination techniques will be taught to you during the crash course. So the crash course is classes by expert faculty, mentorship by Prelims champions and rankers, and an ecosystem and strong peer group of only 50 students with study hall, and part exams and grant tests and preparing you for CSET exam also. Make use of this course. To register in this one, use the link given below in the description. All the best.